Hello and welcome to a easy as income tax video presentation. In this presentation I want to discuss the what if calculator. You'd use the what if calculator if you'd want to obtain very quick estimates on income tax. If I click on this icon on the main screen, you'll see the what if calculator pops up. It's very easy to use. If you see the top method number 1, you can obtain a very quick estimate. If I say wanted to find out how much income tax I might have to pay on $35,000, I would enter that amount. I'd click calculate and it would whiz off down here and it will quickly calculate the figures for me, and it's told me straight away how much tax I'm going to pay on that figure, and it gives you a couple of breakups onto a monthly and a weekly amount to give you a bit of an idea what might happen there if you were earning income over a monthly or weekly period. Now you will see down the bottom here it's set for the US single filing status. Depending upon what country you're from, obviously it will say something different depending upon what charts you're using. Let's say for example you are from the US and the single filing status isn't correct for you. You can quickly select tax rates and it will bring up a mini screen here that you can then go ahead and select which categories are applicable for you. There are more than, I know for the US there are more than 4 categories here. Sorry, there are 4 categories. If I click here, the slide rule, I can go down to the 4th one. So they are all there. If you want to see everything at once, the easiest way to go is just to click the enlarge icon. It will enlarge the screen and you'll see all the 4 selections at once. So my wife and I are married jointly. We aren't going to be filing separately, so I'm going to select this one here. Okay, now you see that I've selected it and it's come up down the bottom. So that's how simple it is. Now I can click calculate. So away it goes, it will calculate that amount again. If that was incorrect, I can select a different one, click calculate. See how simple it is? So switching between different tax rates, if you've got 3 or 4 family members and you're using this and you're mucking around and you're doing stuff, it's very simple to do. Right, what's method number 1 for? Method number 1 is pretty self-explanatory as well. Let's say I'm entering an amount again of $35,000 and I wanted to see how much tax I would pay if I was to earn an extra $100 per week. I would select weekly. I'm earning an extra $100 per week. I click calculate. You'll see down here we had $30,000 after tax. Let's see what it says now. And that's how much I'm going to walk away with at the end of the year. I'm going to be on 40 grand. So I might click that and say no, I'm only going to earn it per month. And it quickly calculates the amounts for you. See how simple that is? Let's say you had a pay rise. Someone gave you a pay, you had an amount in here and you were offered a job and they said, well, we'll pay you 2.5% on top of what you're already earning, etc. You could obviously just enter that in there and see what that would work out to as well. And it did that. So that's very basic, very simple stuff. What if calculator is used for quick estimates.